coaches. That was a great way to start, though, on that first down, hitting A.J. Green in front of William Gay.
Bengals moving from left to right. They got a 1st and 10 at their own 31. In the shotgun, 3 wide. Looking at a 3-man defensive front back to pass. And the gun goes McCarron. Hacks his right arm. There's a short pass to the hands of Bernard on a cross in stride at the 35. And ricochets incomplete. The coverage was heavy by linebackers. It's now 2nd down and 10 for them.